Hi, this is Derek Wilson with CDO Advisors. Please subscribe to my channel to stay up to date on everything related to dashboards and Power BI. In this video, I'm going to give a brief overview of what dashboards are and why you really need them in your organization. Dashboards collect data from across your enterprise. Unlike a lot of reporting tools that come and get data out of one system to build the report out of that system, whether it's a claim system, a CRM, an ERP, the data that's in there, dashboards really collect data from across your enterprise and allow you to collect the data that you want, model the data the best way possible to present it in the design for your end users. It doesn't really matter where the data is, what the application is. I have customers using flat files, Excel, data dumps out of systems, hooked directly into databases as well. And all of that data gets merged up into a single dashboard that they can leverage and log into in one spot, share that information, and really enable self-service analytics. Okay, so now I'm going to walk you through how dashboards work, particularly on Power BI, since that's what my company implements. So this is my company's homepage for dashboards in Power BI. This is exactly what your team would see if you were using Power BI to implement dashboards. Everything's organized into different applications, so you can go through and build out different, just think of it as folders to contain the reports that ultimately would be the dashboard that your team would use. I've got a bunch of things built under this Power BI overview. What I really want to look at are some of these financial samples. So you can see here I've got a nice visualization. I can expand things into, it's called focus mode, and see one particular data. I can go back. Everything's interactive. If I click on government, you can see that my other charts filter down to the government segment. I can also click on a month. If I click on October, it's going to filter everything else down. Likewise, I can export the data if I want to export something. I've got different pages. So if I look at my sales by country, I've built a map in here. The size of the circle represents the actual amount of sales. You can see I've got some KPIs listed at the top. And again, as I click on the different countries, these values are going to change so that I can easily tell what my sales are of my different products across my country. I've got product sales. This is more of an Excel list, but what I can do is click on EKG or any of these, and it'll give me all of the summary sales information that then I may want to export and do something else with. But that's all possible. The other thing I can do is sort it interactively. So since this is a grid, I can just left click, and now it's sorted on sales price by the highest amount. I can click on units sold, sort it that way. I can sort it by product. So all self-service, easy way to interact with the data. I can also set up true KPI dashboards for executives if I just want to show some executive summary information and see how I'm performing quickly with some nice gauges and dials. So I've got some bullet graphs down here that show, like FTEs, where's the budget, where are we at. You can filter the information based on the time range. So if I only want to look at the first 6 months of the year, I can do that. All right, now it's going to change my graphs to what I have there. I can also, if I look at my product sales, right, so here is just another view of information that I've pulled together. Where do I actually have sales of office products, right? It's a heat map. So as I drill in, I'm in Houston. So if I drill down to Houston zip codes, right, I can hover over it and see the postal code, the sales that we had in that particular area. I've got some sales trends built out, so I can see by city the sales that I have. And then here you can see I've got 2014, 15, 16, 17. I can drill into that information and get down to the quarter, and then I can get down to the month. So all of that without having to ask somebody for another report. I can also drill back up and get back to where I was. So if you're not using dashboards, I highly encourage you to take a look at what's possible. We do free proof of concept offers. You give us the data, we'll take it, build out a dashboard, review it with you online, and then if you like what you see and you want to go forward, then we can talk about doing a full project and we can disclose all the pricing up front. So please let me know if I can help you in any way. Subscribe to my channel to make sure you stay up to date on everything related to Power BI and dashboards. And I appreciate your time. Thank you.